Today we're excited to introduce you to the 4-inch full-size bed frame, a heavy-duty metal platform designed for durability and ease of use. With dimensions of 74.5 inches long, 53.5 inches wide, and a low-profile height of just 4 inches, this bed frame is perfect for those who prefer sleeping closer to the ground, making it ideal for children and pets. The frame boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 3,000 pounds, ensuring robust support for any mattress type, including foam, without the need for a box spring. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, tools, and all parts included in one package, allowing you to fix the surrounding sides first and then simply lay down the support slats. Designed for a noise-free experience, each component fits tightly together, preventing any squeaks or rocking as you move. Plus, each leg is equipped with a foot pad to protect your floors from scratches. Experience a blend of practicality and simplicity with this sleek black bed frame that promises both stability and style for your bedroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.